Ozuaba Komenda. Na yesanso adawasi bio. Impene basa na amaye kwan na Komenda yeno enya dem great interaction. Ozika no 40 days. Yen na kojo kuro a wenyan baby ko. Your Excellency Esumama Minister for Chieftaincy Affairs Odemwa Amanze Kese Odebepoi Yenechi Komenda man yakanya na yenhu bida nti ze kan de da wase otode bien yenya kwanja onam Ekitichiba Attorney General no is by conferment ma ye be pay work abanka sinim ho na ye denkra na nanu ma waka ho me yakoye no wodi dase pi de kwana agin ye no wo felto obro ye ntiase do oda so say if we even have an opportunity oya slaughter and Kawanka every month will be frequenting at your place. Out of the Basa and in the Your Excellency Ejuma Babayan there in Kabahe, Komenda Sugar Factory. And with progress of work. On put in case I may catch the great things has been done over there. But I can't stop His Excellency from getting to the place. If we then Nimpana Edinisha and Insano, Kojo Alan Chamantin, when Diabro Kra. Now, I hear the entering comfort to the hawk. Unless the Abishan and Anum, Your Excellency, the Ayana Chay and there, Komenda Man, or Dawakumado Papa. Now, you see a new Rambo da. You know Rambo. Meno ka say Ekitichima akase bien Ebapia Ayeno a municipal chief executive. He has been nominated and he has been approved and he's working seriously. Yan brother Percy, the whole national premix chairman. And as a okekaho Edana yeba ufie kasini Your Excellency, Pedamu Chan short. Naza ayeninti no mayaka. Edu baby and then Nasan Dawson Cindy baby Sazi. Because a day you threw a bank casino ho. Every corner, even near an important commander new ho. And so yeah, going to pay, one pay, Mary pay. He was even there. And it's like we are in our house. Your Excellency, may God bless you. May God bless you. Osia dia yo mepeda betuado kakra ne de ye wodwumenti kakra wada roma ye bisa road wankasa upemu ede internal roads de ka homa ogudu ho ye ye bisa ofrene den landing bay wada roma ede concrete bridge ma one do wie ma waso wode market besan atoado intizaye kanide yesre na wana ogudu awoye no we adwuma ne preko na onu nkotin ne nzama nkrukru bi sisi a Komenda yehia da obeya districts onu eda ne be kan nyina kirewo the I-47 no of 1976 if it can be revoked or it can be amended wada romana nkahwe na aye and others that we know that because you are capable oninti na yadeba to wenim osia de yo epede me dademazi ezi na nanoma we shia wa ha ne nya Komenda ahemfo nkotin ya nananum from Egwafo bimo representative wa ha agora friend then na abrim agora also wa ha nti ehuna nanum bi wa ha na chede ahemfo different one wa babeka ho Excellency, this year the year there, Komenda man, Yabo Atanasi. Now the only thing I hear my and the Ebeka Fanti, Kakrebia Kakasaho, na Yayi. Yan Resi, Yadawas in Yamin Shroud. Bye bye.
MPP, National Chairman, MPP from Penny 4, and we are known, Nananom, fellow Ghanaians. Nana Komenda, what are some Cassia to me so? Nana no more, Memona Chance. Watching me, I ain't what. Now, you say you're perfect, now so kakra meet me. I and I buy a ban in some warning. I feel be the two among midnight or mining say. Me baba hwe baby a aban adwuma na du na enra na me hyase wo fifi mantem ha na Komenda ha dey say me by say adwuma kese wo ha e hyase a che so ntumi mba wieye na me ba ha no me ka che say me ba ha biom no na sugar factory a damo koma so pai na wieye na ye adwuma aka krabi. Waka say great works are going there. To me, bada me the many ababeshe. Na commissioning no beba and check. And no na share that ba. Yeah, big a dry board for the commission. Me that's also one who say. Ni probably na share so on be side ni dwuma so chairman so e born ho body on the one year dwuma man no abon body pa aka krabi. Na Komenda sugar factory na aka ho asema ebi no mentumi anye ne yi amaba ami ye ne yi say no so na ayi ti ba ya me ba ne nsem na ma ba be tie nsem so da mokoma so bobo bi so na ekwa bi aso no enche me say Yakupon sa fia ye ken mu no bebe Komenda bio ya ba be ye commission be dem ase Yakupon e jamu nyina be dem ase papa.
Earlier, this place was all leaky, the machines were rusted, there was nothing, it was a dead place. And coming back here today, of course, I have been checking for, because I live around the corner in Komenda. And the transformation, you see the machine, these are brand new machines. So these are not the old ones we are continuing. I think the impression is that we are continuing from where it used to be. These are completely brand new machines, and you can see activity. The sugarcane is there, which are planted here in the Komenda area. And so I'm happy. I'm very happy that the MPP government led by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo promised to deliver, and he's done it. And that, you see, gradually we are doing the job. And except that maybe we're not saying it all, people are basically thinking of survival now, so the job is not important to them. But we have to tackle both and tell the story too. And this is a good story.
Do you believe the sustainability aspect will be maintained?
Oh, yes. It's the raw materials. Once the community and the main farm produce is coming in, and the community are doing their outgrowers, the issue work. And we'll keep an eye on it because it's important to Central Region. Okay. So we thank the President. Sorry?
Percentage?
Oh, I hear it's about 95%. So about 5% left, and we are done. And then they will start production. Then we'll come and commission it. The President will come and commission it. Thank you very much.